bata guys, nandun na po sa paralan yung mga bata, and mamaya mayroon tayong appointment kay Axel since today is Tuesday. Speech therapy kay Axel. I think yun lang ang ganap ko today. Gym. Tapos na po ako sa gym guys. Time check. 12:05. Taligsik. Sa grahe. Bumili ako ng saging. Kunin ko si Axel. Mabilis ang kape. 12:17. Remember kahapon nagluto ako ng ribs kahapon? Ito pala yung niluto ko kahapon na ribs. Tanggal ko lang yung aking. Kahapon, nagluto ako kahapon ng ribs. Ito po siya. Dalawang ribs. After gym, dalawang ribs. Saka yung nag-isip ko ng gulay. Konting gulay. Naubusan na po ako ng aking sili. Ay! Hala! Ang dami. Lagyan ko siya ng tabasco para magiging maanghang. Wala na po akong sili. Kain po tayo! Lunch and dinner! Promise! Last Tuesday na pumunta ako doon sa speech therapy ni Axel. Antok na antok ako, kaya ngayon I want to take coffee. Hindi ko alam kung magluluto ba. Ituhan ko na lang si Mr. ng lumpia. Tapos sabi ko, hindi na ako kakain mamaya eh. Prituan ko siya ng lumpia. Tapos yung drumstick. Pag may kaunti pang gulay na natira, ay na lang kakainin. Lagyan lang natin ang ating sombrero. Ako'y aalis na. Madali ang kape po. Mag-drive na po ako guys patungo sa appointment ni Axel. Sa aming ang speech therapy. And we'll see you there. 40 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. So we are going to go for our speech therapy, guys. 40 minutes, guys. You guys, nandito na kami sa parking kung saan kami mag-speech therapy. So nakakapi na ako sa bahay. I don't think so naantukin ako. Meron pa kaming 15 minutes. Ayaw kong pumunta doon nang wala pa sa time kasi kinukuha talaga kami ng tawag dito. 2:00 talaga. And pagpupunta ako doon ng like halimbawa 1:55, 1:56, si Axel gusto niyang pumasok doon sa room. Make sure na dala ko lang lahat ng kailangan dalhin. Hala. Kama, Alex. Expired na tong ni Alex. Health card, guys. Dala-dala kong health. Expired na siya. Travel pa naman kami. Make sure na valid yung aming health card. Tanungin ko si Mr. kung asa na yung health card ni Alex. Memory card. Makikita nyo sa outside yung weather namin is gloomy and yung temperature is 2 and paglalabas ka yung lamig parang mangusi siya yung paano. Dress improperly. baka lang improperly dressed tayo wala sa weather. Hindi akma pala sa weather kaya feel ko. Before, nung nag-travel kami ng USA, kinuha ko yung USB kasi may USB dito. Nilagyan ko to ng magkano ba tong gig? 200 plus. Maganda din yung kuha niya ng camera. Kahapon pumunta kami, nag-parking kami. Saan ba ako nag-parking? Sa library. And then pag-uwi namin. Nag-collision photo yung sasakyan. Naka-parking siya. Gilabay siguro no. Alarm ang cellphone. Notice ang cellphone. Pollution, ha? What time? Alas 6 namang naggamit sa sakyan. Alas 6 tulog pa man. Gilabay siguro siya snow. Gaputo-puto pa siya iya. Meron pa kaming 8 minutes. Hindi pa ako pupunta doon hanggat 1 minute na lang yung maiiwan kasi itong si Axel ko ay mahirap siyang kontrolin, guys. Nagtatanong pala sa akin, guys, may sasagutin ako na tanong nasaan na ba daw si Mr. Kasi before, si Mr. sumasali yan sa like nabavlog ko siya before. But now, he preferred na kung maigo lang siya sa camera and that's it. Kung maigo siya sa camera, that's it. Not totally na-adjud siya, no. It's only me and the kids. Wala siya. But he's there. Makita nyo naman minsan, maririnig nyo minsan magsasalita siya, but he's there. I think for now, 2026, he preferred peace, char. Tahimik. Ako lang yung blah sa 2026. Nag-start na naman ako ng vlog. But anyways, it's good. It's good. Kakarating lang namin sa bahay. Guys, tapos na yung speech therapy. Dito na si Axel ko. Hello, Shufti! Viene sila! Oh, bring your water bottle, buddy. Here's the water bottle. Oh! Puno ko yung tubig. So, inumin lang sa eskwelahan. Ali, ayun. Drama pa dito. Dali na! Okay. Mama, come. Go. Bring your water bottle. Good job, Axel. Good job. Bonjour, Daddy! Yo guys! Nandito pala kami ngayon sa Tanger Outlets. Nandiyan na si Alex. Nandito kami sa Tanger Outlets. Hindi kami magsa-shopping. Those are kanang outlets na siya sa mga shoppinganan, no? Like Under Armour, Michael Kors, Coach, Polo, and a lot more. Mag-drive-thru kami sa Chick-fil-A. Bibili lang tayo ng Chick-fil-A. Drive-thru. Craving. Ano pala today, guys? Craving for Chick-fil-A. Magda-drive-thru lang ako. We're not going tonight, buddy. And yan yung kanilang mga menus. And how many burger, Alex? Hi there.
Hello, can I get a name, please?
Mylen, M-Y-L-E-N.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Perfect. Okay, yeah.
Can I please have a one spicy chicken?
The meal or just the
Meal please with a large fries.
Alright, and a drink?
Iced coffee. Is it possible?
Yeah, of course. Do you want vanilla or original?
Let's try vanilla please.
Vanilla for sure. Any sauces?
Chick-fil-A sauce.
Anything else?
And can I please have the regular Chick-fil-A burger?
Okay. Is that a meal as well?
No, just the burger. Can I please have five?
I'm sorry?
Can I please have 5 of fries?
Just one price, right?
No, 5 also.
Oh, 5 also. Okay.
Oh, Alex, do you want some
No spice.
Coca-Cola? I think my son, he wants a Coca-Cola. Is it possible? Chick-fil-A and barbecue sauce.
Anything else there?
That's all.
That's going to be 8,800.
Alex, what happened to the chicken? Alex is playing Heyday. Yo guys! Nakuha ko na po yung aking mga order na Chick-fil-A. And we have Coca-Cola and iced coffee for Mommy Vanilla. Mylan. Sit down first, Dad. It's okay, Alex.
Sit down next to
Yeah, he's hungry. You want some already. Okay. Open the thing there. Open. One for you. One for Mommy. We are all hungry. After gym kanina, huli kumain. Leaves. And then now she Ooh, la. Oh, God. This is for you, Alex. Axel is hungry first. Axel. Axel. This is for Axel. Lang, your heyday lang. The chicken is a noisy. Noise. Oh! Lower the volume. Lower the volume. I have this for you. Oh. Look. What's that? Do you want some barbecue sauce, guys? Kain ka. Here, barbecue sauce. How's it, is here? And some burger. Eat the burger, Alex. Put there. Put there. Oh, it's all potato there. You don't like yung rice nila, oh. Patatas na patatas talaga.
Right there. Right there.
Alex, burger, Alex. You want to start half with Axel first? Or you want to eat half all? Hmm?
Apple.
Half all? Okay. Here. Eat the burger, okay? Axel. Burger. Eat the chicken, Alex. Ano yung chicken?
French fries.
Yeah, and the chicken.
French fries and large fries.
Yeah. Yummy.
Not the volume. Not. Yeah.
Later.
The highway. In the highway.
Nagtungko na.
In the highway.
Yeah. Okay. Burger, chicken. Eat chicken also. Alex, bite the burger. Bite. We no need the pickle. Just the chicken. Bite. Eating the chicken, guys. Very good. Ito na may mga order namin. Malaki siya kasi sinisiprate kasi nila. Nag-order kasi ako ng spicy and siniprate nila.